how to find the lost recovery phrase for the Samsung Blockchain Keystore on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now, when you first set up your Blockchain Keystore, it will ask you to write down on a piece of paper. If you happen to lost that piece of paper, that's okay. You can always go back into your Blockchain Keystore to view the phrase. So first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, scroll down and then tap on more security settings. In here, go down, then tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore, and then tap on view recovery phrase, then tap on view. Now I said here, when you view your recovery phrase, make sure to use your hand to block other people or cameras from seeing it. So tap on view. In here, you need to verify your identity before you can view the phrase. And say here, don't take a picture of this screen. You need to write down on a piece of paper and keep it somewhere safe and make sure no one can get hold of it, because with this recovery phrase, they can gain access to your wallet. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.